Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Today I'll be giving you the chance to win small money, 50 Ghana cedis, that's all. Very soon, don't worry, very soon we'll be talking about the big giveaway. I think I'll be giving away a Kotoko jersey, the new jersey that's coming out very soon. I'll be giving away one to a lucky person. I don't know how I'll go about that, but I'll be giving away the Kotoko jersey this season. So that video, we'll talk about that when the time comes. We'll talk about that one. Now all you have to do to win these 50 Ghana cedis is subscribe right now. If you have subscribed, no problem. The next thing you have to do is follow us on Instagram at Daily Porcupine. I'll put it here. Then Daily Porcupine with an extra E on Twitter. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Then the last thing you have to do is comment down below the first Asante Kotoko player that will score a goal in the Ghana Premier League this season. Predict correctly the first player, Asante Kotoko player, that will score a goal in the Ghana Premier League this season. Once you've done that, that's all. That's all. You don't have to do anything else. Follow on Instagram, on Twitter, then you predict down below. That's all you have to do. Then after doing that, the winner, how am I going to pick the winner? It's going to be random. That's if a lot of people got it correctly. So if since I won't like to be biased, a Asante Kotoko player will come to this channel and pick the winner. I won't pick the winner. Yes, an Asante Kotoko player will come here and pick the winner. I won't be the one to pick the winner. So that is how transparent I want it to be. So the player will come here, pick the winner, then I will announce the winner at the end of the month. And that end of the month is when we'll be doing another giveaway for the Kotoko jersey, this season's jersey. So all you have to do, subscribe right here, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter. If you have done that, amazing. The only thing left for you is to comment down below and tell us the first Asante Kotoko player that will score a goal in the Ghana Premier League this season. That is all. It's just 50 Ghana cedis for you. Then maybe if you're lucky, you might win the 50 Ghana cedis and also win the jersey we are going to give out at the end of the month. So that's all. Just comment down below and predict. Prediction will end a day before the Kotoko game. The prediction will end a day before the Kotoko game. So predict well and predict correctly and you win the 50 Ghana cedis. That's if you are being picked or if you are lucky to be picked by an Asante Kotoko player. So comment down below and tell me the first player in the Asante Kotoko squad that will score a goal in the Ghana Premier League this season. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Subscribe right now. Follow us on Twitter. Next time guys, bye bye.